Good afternoon. We just arrived here at Rome, and our room is not ready yet. Best Western Plus Hotel Universo. Room will be available about 1:30 or 2 o'clock, and we're gonna find something to eat. This is the one we're gonna eat here. It's okay. So we are actually here at Alessio. Yo. Alessio is one there.
I'm only gonna miss mediums.
So we just ordered our food, and let's see how it turns out. I ordered a pasta with seafood, and they gave us some bread, and then interesting. Jed ordered a Sprite, but they give it this one. You don't ask for water. They always give you an option to do sparkling or distilled water. If distilled, it's like this. I guess you have to pay for the water. Now we're gonna try the bread. Oh, good. Just plain bread. It's soft though. Alright guys, we're gonna dip this in olive oil. Guys, oh my gosh. Bread with the olive oil is perfect. Then we have the margarita for appetizer. And everybody's hungry, as look you could see in their faces. Alright, let's go. There you go. The margarita. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this actually good. Guys. Excuse me, good taste. Alright, I got a seafood pasta. Jed has Alfredo, Montesana. We'll taste first the mussels, okay? Let's see.
Interesting. And the pasta is
It's good. Yeah. This is the shrimp. See the pasta. Looking good, looking good. Everything tasting good so far. Alright, enjoy our meal. Oh, what's your food, Drake? Good? And you, Josh? Huh?
very good.
Pretty good. And Jed? Deliciosa? Delicioso. We are done eating at that restaurant. It was delicioso. Now we're going back to the hotel. Freshen up. Hello. We are here at our hotel. It's Best Western Universo. So as you can see, the first thing you have is the restroom. Really nice. It's clean. And then we have some stuff here that you need, and then the soap, and then body cream, hand soap is in there. And then we also have the shampoos, the usual things that you need. Got the towels up here. You got the bidet. And that one, I don't know what this. And then come here, some paintings on the wall. And then they have this. You come here, they give you slippers. And this is queen size bed. And yeah, then the TV, have some kind of tea there, and then this is our view from our room is the street where we came from. So it's really near to the places that we need to go to see Rome. All right. So we will see you on the next episode. All right, we just got out from our hotel doing some exploration. We are refreshed. We had some nap. We have a little bit of a nap. Now we're gonna go around and we are at the Mary Major, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna find out how to go in. Santa Maria Maggiore. Really nice. Out here at the Santa Maria Maggiore, one of the oldest church in the Catholic churches, formed in the 4th century, 4th to 5th century AD. Porta Santa. Like this beautiful room. Manger of the relics of the manger of Jesus Christ. This is the Pope remains buried. Pope's remains. We are here at the train station. This is in Roma Termini. It's a really big place. I'll let you see it. A lot of shops. And this is the schedule there. Very busy place. You could buy your tickets here on this booths. What train do you take? Nike store in the train station. This is their main company that monitors the train. But in Italia, schedules there. So we are here trying to get a Filipino food. Trying to get some rice. This on this side. And there's a Chinese restaurant here. Also, it is a free water fountain right here. And it goes up here. It says Manila Restaurant. Welcome to Manila Restaurant. We are celebrating it here at a Manila Restaurant. Manila Restaurant. Here's the birthday boy. There you go. Say hi.
What's good, Uncle Vloggers? Hello, nieces and nephews. Hope you guys are enjoying the series.
But wrapping up today's vlog. Oh, maybe I don't know. Oh, actually, maybe wrap things up today. We came from.
Still have to film everything else.
Huh?
Still have to film more. Still stuff to do.
Oh yeah, we're gonna film more, but para sa pagkain. We're gonna show you our food for here at Manila Restaurant. Try this Italian beer. It's called Peroni. Peroni, a beer, a big size. Cheers. It tastes like Red Horse. We got some pancit going on. We got some kawale, pancit bihon, vegetable lumpia, kare-kare, sinigang, pancit, and crispy pata. Get some. How is it get? This is the night time here in Rome. A lot of restaurants. We finished our dinner at Manila Restaurant, and we're gonna have some dessert. It's already 9 o'clock, and gonna get some gelato. Always have gelato here at Rome in Italy.
The wooden spoon really adds.
Mm-hmm. The what?
The wooden spoon. Very good.